Government's drive to raise more domestic revenue is facing calls for a fairer tax system, with civil society organizations urging measures that expand the tax base without placing a disproportionate burden on compliant taxpayers. The Tax Justice Alliance of Uganda says while domestic revenue mobilization remains essential to funding government programs, some existing taxes have had unintended effects on taxpayers. The alliance is now calling for changes to the tax system ahead of the financial year 2027-2028 budget.
As we know, we are going digital, and it's key for us to move with the times, advance and grow as the economy is growing, both nationally and globally. But then if we are increasing that and also increasing the costs on some of these of using these services, it becomes a challenge. So rethinking the element on mobile money transactions could be something that government can look into.
The next financial year budget, we really want to see the women and also the poor this time benefiting from the tax. This value-added tax on water needs to be removed. There is some time back, National Water removed it, but it did not actually go. So we want government to make water affordable so that women and children and the poor don't spend a lot of time going to the wells to fetch water and also consuming contaminated water. Right now, a unit of water is over 4,000 shillings and it is very expensive. So removing VAT on water would make water affordable.
One of the key proposals is a review of value-added tax, which the Alliance considers regressive because it places a heavier burden on low-income households.
Uganda continues to levy a higher rate than most of our neighbors. Now, when you look at it, some of our traders or members have continued to take advantage by embracing maybe the East African protocols as the East African community. So we end up, maybe in that sense, we end up putting more money to other economies than our own economy.
Some of the Alliance's earlier tax proposals have since been considered by government, offering hope that its latest recommendations could also receive attention.
Government raised the pay-as-you-earn threshold from 235,000 Uganda shillings to 335,000 Uganda shillings. That is a win for us because it really frees resources, especially those that are into formal employment, because it reduces their tax deduction.
Rona Nahabwe, NTV Business.